Hi everyone, welcome to another virtual walking tour. My name is Jared, and today we're going to be doing the same thing we did last week, looking at specific streets with interesting houses on them. Today we're looking at a specific block on Charlotte Street, where 3 of the 4 houses are heritage buildings in the city of Brantford. So come on, let's go take a look. This house at 85 Charlotte Street is a 2.5-story brick house, and is known for being the residence of William Patterson. Patterson was a longtime Brantfordian, moving to here from Hamilton at the age of 14 in 1853. 10 years later, he joined Frank Leeming and established a thriving business on Colburn Street, which was a combination of a bakery, confectionery, and cigar store, as well as other acclaimed goods. Another decade later, at the age of 33, he became mayor of Brantford. After his run as mayor, he moved into the federal government for a total of 39 years as the representative of South Brant, North Grey, and North Brant. The house he lived in was built in an Italianate style and was guessed to have been constructed in 1875. Some quirks to point out is the 3-sided bay window on the south elevation, the brick quoin accents, the balconette, the gorgeous bargeboard, the carved and cast iron keystones, and so much more. Today, the house is the Montessori House, a private daycare for varying ages of children. This is a 3-story apartment building with a raised basement, giving the appearance of 4 stories. It was built in 1952 with additions in 1955. The architectural style is international, with an exterior surface of rug brick or calico red. In the center of the apartments is a window and glass block which lights the central stairway in the building. The name for the apartment building is the Edinburgh Apartments, and the original owner listed in the Brantford directory is a J. Martin, though it is a little unclear who this J. Martin is. This brick residential house is considered an English-style cottage and is designated as a heritage building due to its interesting features. The roof has a large dormer with a low flat center gable. The corner of the building has a brick quoin detail, and the brickwork is a common bond style. Both sides of the door has 2 wooden frames and shutters. There are 2 toppling chimneys on the roof, and there's also evidence that a portico porch structure was removed at an earlier date. The windows, entranceway, and roof trim are painted white. This house is considered one of very few English-style cottages that were kept in great shape in and around the Brantford area, which is the reason for its heritage designation. This gorgeous house on the same block as the rest is also a Brantford cottage built in 1860, characterized by its square body, center door with semicircular openings, light-colored brickwork, coining at the corners of the house, and 1 story in height. This house in particular has windows with round openings on their own bay, with flossers and keystones designed with them. The brickwork is in typical common bond style with added plinth brickwork, which resembles a platform and is on the front facade. It has a low hip roof with 2 dormers, one at the rear side, the other on the right side facade. Most Brantford cottages were owned by people in the trades, and considering the location and the time period, people who lived in these cottages may have worked as engineers, barristers, or salesmen, and possibly worked for companies such as Gould Bicycle, Cockshuts, and others that were in the downtown area.